Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox and review the Olight i1R 2 keychain light. This Olight keychain is directly sent to me by Olight manufacturer to do the review. Okay, let's go unbox. Let's see the box. This is a front view, side view, back view, side view, and front view again. And this is a top view. Okay, let's tear open and see inside. Let's pull out slowly. Wow! Inside the box contains a micro USB cable and also the menu. So this is how it looks like. It's very small. To turn on the light, you just need to twist. This 5 lumen. Twist again. Is 150 lumen. Compared with the AA battery, you can see how small it is. It's slightly shorter. This keychain light material is made from aluminum alloy and its weight is only 13.5 grams. To charge this keychain light, you just need to twist until it pop out and you will see the micro USB port inside there. To fully charge the battery, it will take about 75 minutes to fully charge. This is how you plug in the micro USB. When it is charging, the red light will appear. After the battery is fully charged, the green light will appear. The user manual will show the product overview, specification, charging indicator, operation, and warning sign, and also the warranty. One thing good about this keychain light is it was so small, you're not aware you are carrying it with you. It looks so elegant. When you hold on your hand, you don't feel this product is a cheap product. Let me show you how I carry it to work. Sometimes I need to go to the storeroom, it was quite dark, so this light is quite helpful. As you can see, this is 150 lumens. On site, when I need to check the lift, I'm holding the keychain light to check on the lift bit. As you can see, it's quite clear. When I was at the lift car top with my technician, we are doing some service. As you can see, I use the light to shine on it. When I turn the light to 5 lumen, this is how it look like in the dark. I still can see some car door lock, the wall, the bricks. At night at my house garden, I use the 5 lumen light to shine on the pond. It's quite clear. It's about 5 feet away. Now I turn the light to 150 lumen. Oh, you can see it was so bright. I can see much more clear, and further away, I still can see. I can see some flower, some tree, some leaf from far away. I attached the keychain light on my drone and I fly on top of the house. As you can see, about 5 meters away from the roof, I still can see the roof tile clearly. This keychain light is waterproof. During the raining season, sometimes it fall the key on the floor, but no worry, this keychain light can withstand about 1.5 meter high impact. The keychain light can submerge in the water no more than 2 meters deep or about 6 feet. Alright, I hope today's review is sufficient enough for you to know about this product. Also, if you would like to know more about their product, you can go to their Facebook at Olight SG MY Community. From there, you will get more information about their products. At my description below, I will put their link to their website. Hey, try to log in their website and get registered. You will get a free gift of this keychain light, but the color will be randomly given. And please take note, the shipping cost is excluded. Also, the Olight is going to have a Black Friday sales up to 45% this coming 25th, starting from 8 PM. So don't miss out this opportunity. They also have other item now having a discount also, which I'm not review here. So please go to their Facebook or the website to check it out. So I hope this information is good enough for you all. So I hope to see you again. See you. Bye.